Hello, welcome everyone. So today I'll take your math class. This class is for class 7 English version. So we will continue our chapter 7.2. So here is our first question from this chapter 7.2. So first question is what is the number if 5 is added to its twice, the sum will be 25. In this part I'll translate this into mathematical form. So what is the number? There will be comma here. Okay, you have to put a comma. Okay, so here you have been told to identify the number. So let the number is x. Let the number is x. So what is after that? If 5 is added to its twice, 5 is added, so you have to add 5 is added. What does it mean? That means you have to add plus 5. Okay, to its twice. It means the number twice of the number. How can you write this? Twice of the number. So twice of the number is x, and for twice we have to write 2. So that means 2x. So in short, 5 is added to its twice of the number. So now we'll replace all of this thing. Then the sum will be 25, and for will be we'll have to put a equal sign here at the right side. You just see I am putting a equal sign. For will be, was, were, you have to put a equal sign. So 5 is added. So 5 is added can be replaced by plus 5, or like this. 2 is twice of the number. Twice of the number is 2x. So you can write it like plus 5 plus 2x, because the sum will be 25. So you have to add up all of them, plus 5 plus 2x, or you can just remove it. Now this is the translation of the whole word. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to change the position of the coefficient or the constant, constant 5 from left to the right. So if I change the position, plus 5 will change to minus 5, and 25 minus 5 equal to 20. Now you have to free this x. So in order to do this, you have to remove this 2 from here. So how can you remove this 2 from here? You can see that the 2 is in multiplicative form. So in order to remove this 2, what you have to do, divide both sides by 2. So 2 by 2 cancel out. So x equal to 20 by 2 is 10, x equal to 10. So if someone wants to write it like this, x equal to 20 by 2, this one is also correct, because you have to just put them in the lower part or in the denominator position. Okay, so in this case the same result you will find, but if anyone wants to do this, this all is also applicable. So this is the result of our unknown number. So the unknown number is 10. So in order to prove it, if you try to put this number 2x plus 5 equal to 25, just put x here. So what will happen? 2 into 10, which is 20, plus 5, that means 25. So you will get the same result as the right side. So we'll move to our next math. Our next math is I'll just remove all of this. Second math is number 2 from your book. So this one is, what is the number if 27 is subtracted? So just 27 is subtracted from 8, the difference will be minus 21. So how can you write this? So same thing, that what is the number? Let the number is x. Let the number is x. If 27 is subtracted from it, so how can you write this? 27 is subtracted from it. It means the number. Okay, so how can you write this? 27 is subtracted from it. Okay, so from the number, as I have mentioned it in our earlier videos, so in case of subtracted from, the part which is after form, you have to write it before x, and 27 is subtracted, the part which is before form. Okay, so it's quite different. So the part 27 is subtracted, you have to write it on the later part. Okay, so you can write it 27 is subtracted, so x minus 27, you have to subtract 27 from that number. Okay, so if you write it like this, 27 minus x, what does it mean? This means the number is subtracted from 27. Okay, so if you have 10 taka and if you give someone 2 taka, what do you have? You have 8 taka. That means you have, how can you say this? 2 taka is subtracted from 10 taka. Okay, so from the part which is beside the form, or the right side of the form, you have to put it in the first position, and the part which is before the form, you have to write it in the second position. So we can write it x minus 27. The difference will be minus 21. So you can write it, the difference will be, so the difference means you have to subtract. So we have already subtracted will be. So how can you replace it? Will be is equal, will be minus 21. So just eliminate the difference, equal to minus 21. So we get equal to minus 21. What you will get, minus 27, if you just change the side of 27 to the right side, you will get plus 27, and here is minus 21. 27 minus 21, you will get x equal to 6. So this is our answer. So that's all from today. We'll meet in the next class. We'll do rest of the maths in the next class. So that's all from today. Thank you everyone.